This right here, everybody be like, well, your face looks like this. This was made by God. 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Look at that. Look at my face. Bright.
Okay, so this is the Korean mud mask that Cardi B was raving about on TikTok and had the girls in a frenzy. Mud mask is supposed to be like a pore purifying mask. It's supposed to reduce the pore size. Now this absorbs like excess oil, smooth skin texture, and just basically leave your skin like glowing and just feeling better. And of course, before I start washing my face, I'm going to wash my hands because I don't want any germs to transfer from my hands to my face. I'm using some antibacterial dial soap to wash my hands. I don't know why I dried my hands, but yeah, I dried my hands with a clean washcloth, of course. So I'm going to be going in with the Korean skincare. I do have a full review on this product line right here. Don't really like it like that, but because I'm already in, I'm just going to continue to use it. So I'm using the Beauty of Husan um, pore cleaning face wash, whatever it's called. I don't really care for it because I have super duper oily skin and it just doesn't give me lather that my oily skin needs. So yeah, girl. But anyways, I'm halfway through the bottle, so why not just empty it? So I'm also using the Foreo. I've had this for so long, y'all, but I love this little gadget right here. So to remove the cleanser, I'm using the disposable clean towels. I love this because I don't like using washcloths on my face anymore. These towels are pretty thick where you can actually reuse them. I don't, I just throw them away, but they're super durable. You can wet them, pull them, stretch them, and they're not going to break on you. I love to use this when it comes to like washing my face, removing makeup, because they're just super durable. I do cut mine in half because they are pretty expensive. I do have a subscription with mine. You can find these now, I think, like at Target. And I do got the thicker brand, the thicker kind, just because they hold water better compared to the other one, especially because I don't submerge my face in water because of my lashes and my hair. I prefer just to put my towels under water and then wash my face like how you see right now versus the traditional way, which is just, putting your hand under the water and slapping the water on your face. Okay, so this is the Korean mud mask that Cardi B was raving about on TikTok and had the girls in a frenzy. Now, as we all know, or maybe you don't know, Korean skincare is supposed to be like more like less harsh when it comes to like chemicals and things like that. Now, this particular mud mask is supposed to be like a pore purifying mask. It's supposed to reduce the pore size, absorb like excess oil, smooth skin texture, and just basically leave your skin like glowing and just feeling better. Now, I did read a lot of comments before I actually, got too influenced. And as far as what I read, this product is definitely not overhyped and was worth the purchase. So this product was definitely worth the try. It does not have a smell, but I always smell products before I put it on my skin. So anyways, the texture is a little bit on the thick side, but a mud mask is supposed to be like that. It does feel pretty good and smooth on my skin, so I have no issues there. I'm hoping that my skin does not react to this because I do have sensitive skin, but I don't even know why I don't never do patch tests on my skin. But anyways, girl, we just gonna dive right in because I'm just not gonna do a patch test. Anyways. One thing that I have noticed with Korean skincare products is they are very stingy with instructions. They do not tell you how long a product needs to sit on your face, nor do they tell you how to really use their products on their packaging. I'm confused. So, anyways, I'm gonna let the mask sit on my face for about 20 minutes because that's what I would normally do with any other mask. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so 20 minutes is up and I'm about to remove the mask. Honestly, I don't feel like I used enough of the product. I probably should have went in with more because I don't know, maybe the layer should have been a little bit more, but normally when I do a mask, this is the layer I would do. So I don't know, girl. We'll do another layer the next time. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with the clean towel and remove the mask this way. Now, one thing I will say, the directions did say to use warm water to the face to remove the mask. Now, I'm kind of thinking about this because I don't know how many towels I'm gonna need to use to remove the mask because it is like kind of hard taking it off. It's not hard, but it is like kind of forceful a little bit. So it would have been easier taking it off if I would have just wet my face like you would normally wash your face. But girl, I'm not getting my lashes wet and I'm not getting my hair wet. I'm not doing it. So I'm just gonna have to go through the process of just wetting the towel and removing it this way. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know if the mask really worked. I mean, I feel like my skin feels more airy, but I don't know like if it feels more smoother. You know what I mean? So like I'm gonna have to try the mask a lot more to see like if there's like a noticeable difference as far as like the texture and the look. So I'm gonna just finish off with the rest of my skincare routine. I'm gonna go in with the Metacube skin toner, or I might go in with another skin toner. I really don't know which one I'm actually gonna use. I'm kind of still like in between these two, but I'm gonna just use the Metacube because I am trying to get rid of some texture, dead skin, and just I don't know, just girl, I don't want to use like the traditional toner anymore. The toner pads are just so much more convenient. Oh, and the other box that I had was Mediheal, I think that's how you pronounce it. It is the tea tree version. I got that one from Target, by the way. But anyways, yeah. So I'm just gonna stick to this little version right here, this little routine, and see what happens. And like I said, I do have a few breakouts right now. I think because my menstrual cycle is about to come on and my hair is also breaking me out. That little piece that falls on my cheek right there is breaking me out. So I'm going to use these little breakout patches, Mighty Patch. Girl, I do not believe in these, but I think it was like $7. So I'm gonna just try and see what happens, or at least put a little patch right there where my hair falls at, just so that it does not continue to make this little pimple worse than what it is, because it's just basically bacteria that's making that bump worse. Also, I noticed that like with the little patches being circular, it's perfect for like concealing the breakouts as well. So like for an example, with me wearing my hair like this, me having the patch on that bump, it prevents the hair from like making the bump worse. And it's easy for me to conceal that little patch too because it basically blends into my skin. Yeah, so I like that for that purpose too, even if the patch doesn't like make the bump less painful or takes it away, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna probably put these patches everywhere and look like a damn pepperoni pizza at the end of the day. And now that I pretty much got all the patches on my breakouts, I'm going to add some glow serum to my face. This is something new that I've added to my face routine since I have introduced the Korean skincare products to my face. And so far, I like it. I don't feel like it clogs my pores. I don't feel like it makes me oily. I think it's pretty good. I did moisturize my skin after this too. I don't know what happened to that clip, but yeah, just know I did moisturize after this. So yeah, that's pretty much my skincare routine using the Cardi B mud mask that she raved about on TikTok, and I would definitely say it's worth a try. So I'm gonna leave the links and everything below, and I'm gonna get ready for bed, and I'm gonna see you girls in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you beautiful girls on the next video. Bye.